The volume weighted average price of VWAP is a trading benchmark that represents the average price a futures market has traded at throughout the day, based on both price and volume. Let's take a look at volume weighted average price. I have a gold chart up on the screen. This is gold futures 10-minute chart. I'm going to go ahead and right click on my desktop. Pop-up menu appears. I'm going to go ahead and click on the word indicators. It'll open up a new dialog box. On the upper left-hand side, I can see all of the indicators that are available to me. I'm going to scroll all the way down until I get to Order Flow VWAP. I'm going to go ahead and double click. It's going to bring down the Order Flow VWAP to my configured section. It's highlighted, which means I could customize it on the properties side of the window. On the right-hand side, you'll see a series of options to personalize VWAP for you. One of the most important ones in my mind is standard deviation bands. I'm going to hit that drop-down menu. You could have none. You could have one standard deviation band around your VWAP, 2 or even 3. We'll keep it at 1. A lot of color customization below there. Confirming input series, gold, 10-minute chart, matches what's on my screen. Calculate, on bar close. I'm going to drop that down and I'm going to change it to on price change. That way the VWAP will automatically change as price changes. Scrolling down a little bit more, you'll see some more areas where you could customize, including changing colors and stuff like that. I'm going to go ahead and apply, then OK. And you can see this order flow volume weighted average price is anchored for the beginning of the session, which means it's a continual calculation throughout the whole session. Remember, the session started at 6 p.m. last night. The VWAP line itself is in the middle. When it goes down, I have it set so that it's orange. And when it goes up, I have it set so that it's green. And it continually changes as the price of the particular market changes. Around it is that one standard deviation band that we talked about. You can anchor the VWAP to a specific start time. I'll show you how to do that in another video. The main key here is that this line represents the VWAP, and traders use that to identify support and resistance, changes in momentum, when buyers are in charge, and when sellers are in charge. Hope that helps.